Hey guys, good evening and welcome back again to your Unacademy Neet English channel. I hope all of you are doing great, having a good time. So my dear students, this particular session is exactly for the Neet 2026 aspirants. Well, a lot of students had been continuously asking me to post a video wherein I'll let you know the chapter-wise most important topics of your physics, chemistry, as well as biology, which you cannot skip at any cost. And here in this particular session, I have come up with the chapter-wise most important topics of physics, chemistry, and biology, which, my dear students, you are not going to skip at any cost. Let me tell you the topics which I'm going to give you. 70% of your NEET paper consists of these topics, which I'll be sharing with you right now in this particular session. Well, the session is going to be very short and precise. Be with me till the end so that you get to know which all topics are there, which are high weightage topics, which are frequently asked in the NEET examination, and which you'll be expecting in this year's NEET 2026 examination as well. So let's get going. Let's get started with my subject first, that is your chemistry. So my dear students, in the subject chemistry, here you can see the list of the most important topics which I've come up with, right? So please and please do not skip these topics at any cost. I'm not telling you to skip the other topics, but what I'm trying to say is you need to prioritize these topics the most, right? For example, starting with your mole concept. Questions based on the mole conversion diagram, questions based on the limiting reagent, questions based on empirical molecular formula, from your atomic structure, questions based on your energy, radius, velocity, even time period of the electron, questions based on nodes, psi and psi square graphs, particularly for your 1s and 2s, that is in your syllabus, right? Similarly, electronic configurations, with the exception of your chromium and copper, right? Similarly, when it comes to your periodic classification, electronegativity, ionization energy, electron gain enthalpy, from the chapter chemical bonding, hybridization, how to predict the shape and geometry of the molecule, how to calculate the bond order, right? When it comes to the thermodynamics, from the thermodynamics, the first important topic, that is the gas laws, which includes your Boyle's law, Charles' law, Avogadro's law, right? Similarly, heat and work. Moving on to the other topics, thermodynamic processes, relation between delta H and delta U, entropy, Gibbs free energy, enthalpy of combustion, enthalpy of formation, calculation of enthalpy of reaction from bond energy. Similarly, one topic I've missed here, that is enthalpy of neutralization. Please and please add this one as well. Enthalpy of neutralization. This is again one important topic which you cannot skip at any cost when it comes to your thermochemistry part. Similarly, from equilibrium, characteristics of equilibrium constant, frequently asked question, KP-Kc calculation, Le-Chatelier principle. Ionic equilibrium part, pH calculation, solubility product, and pH calculation, and particularly the solubility product. Then comes your organic chemistry, resonance, hyperconjugation, aromaticity, carbocation, carbene instability, right? These are the important topics of your general organic chemistry. Similarly, my dear students, from the chapter solution, ideal, non-ideal solutions, as well as the colligative properties. Electrochemistry includes your Nernst equation and the conductance part with the Kohl-Ross law. From your chemical kinetics, it's first order reactions and Arrhenius equation. These are the most important topics, I must say. Most important topics from each and every chapter of your chemistry. Similarly, when it comes to your coordination chemistry, your VBT, CFT, and isomerism, right? Similarly, oxyacids of phosphorus, sulfur, and halogens. When it comes to your organic reactions, your EAR, ERSR, ESR, SN1, SN2, E1, E2, right? They are the most important questions which are framed every year when it comes to your chemistry section. Perfect. Similarly, your dehydration test, your dehydration, Lucas test, distinguishing test includes your Tolvins, Fallons, and your iodoform, aldol, canizaros, clays and condensation, side chain oxidation and acidic strength, diazotization reaction, coupling reaction, basic strength of amines. Again, one important topic from which questions are frequently asked. Your D and F block elements, that includes your K2Cr2O7 and KMNO4 preparation properties, lanthanoid contraction. Similarly, your Jaldal's method, Dumas method, and this particular topic is also important, that is chromatography, but you need not to go into very much detail of this particular topic. There is one small paragraph given in your NCRT. Just read that paragraph once. That is more than sufficient when it comes to your chromatography. So these were some almost 55 to 56 most important topics of your chemistry section. And my dear students, if you are doing these particular topics on priority, you are going to do majority of your chemistry section when it comes to the NEET 2026 examination. Similarly, when it comes to your physics, my dear students, in your physics, look at all these topics starting from units and dimensions. significant figures and errors, your measuring devices, dimensional analysis. When it comes to the system of particles, that includes your center of mass of bodies, your collision, again one important topic. Then comes your rotation, moment of inertia, torque, rolling, slipping, and energy. From your gravitation, it includes your escape velocity, Kepler's laws, as well as the satellites. From your waves, it includes your standing waves and organ pipes, beats, wave speed, and on string and sound. Similarly, your SHM includes your spring mass system. Questions are frequently asked from this, right? Your pendulum, again, one important topic. KTG thermodynamics includes your three most important speeds. One is your RMS speed, average speed, and most probable speed. Internal energy, degrees of freedom, first law of thermodynamics and thermodynamic processes, your cyclic processes, the most important topics from which questions are every year asked when it comes to your NEET examination, basically. Similarly, these are the topics from your electrostatics part. These are the topics from your current electricity part. Similarly, magnetic source and effects, these are the topics which are mentioned. Your EMI includes these important topics. Your EM waves includes these two topics. AC includes these two topics. Your ray optics, and similarly your wave optics, atoms, dual nature, semiconductor, nucleus, and magnetism. These are the most important topics of the subject physics, which you have to prioritize the maximum if you want to score well in your NEET 2026 examination when it comes to the subject physics. Perfect. So again, I'm repeating the same thing. I'm not telling you to leave the other topics. I'm telling you to prioritize these topics the maximum, because if you do these topics in a way that a question is asked from these topics and you are in a position to solve those questions, my dear students, you are really going to score 150 plus when it comes to your physics in your NEET 2026. Same goes for chemistry, and even in your biology, I have come up with the set of some 60 topics which you cannot miss out at any cost, right? Have a look on all these topics which are mentioned over here. Similarly, these are more topics of the subject biology, and similarly, my dear students, these are again more topics of the subject biology, and these are the last few topics of the subject biology which you cannot skip at any cost. Well, I'll be sharing the PDF of this particular session also in my Telegram. If you are not the part of the Telegram channel yet, be the part of the Telegram channel. The name of the Telegram channel is Wassim Bhat Chemistry Official. Wassim Bhat Chemistry Official is the name of the Telegram channel, wherein I keep on sharing all the PDFs like these, perfect, so that it becomes easier for you to write down the things. Perfect. So this was a very short and precise session wherein I thought to discuss the most important topics of every chapter of physics, chemistry, and biology with you, so that it will ease out your preparation for sure. My dear students, with this I'll be taking a leave. Hope you liked this session, and do let me know in the comment section, where do you rate your preparation at this particular point of time out of 10? Do let me know the honest review in the comment section, so that we can plan accordingly the live sessions with all of you, which will ease out your preparation for sure. So take care, God bless you all, and love you all, guys. Bye-bye.